Good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. Today I am going to give you a session on figure drawing. This is the fifth session. How to draw back pose. Draw a back view pose in one of the most challenging things in fashion design sketching. A nice rear view figure will allow you to show your design from another angle and will complement your portfolio in a beautiful way. In your portfolio, you should try to have a front view, side view and a back view poses of the crookies and choose the most appropriate figure base for each design. Unleash your imagination and creativity and design with pleasure on it. Start by placing the guidelines that will help you build the back view pose. Mark the top and bottom of the center line. Find the middle of the distance and mark slightly above. This will be the half line of the body since fashion sketches tend to be drawn with longer legs. Just see the image over here which I have shown here how to draw it with the steps. Divide the upper half into 3 parts. The red mark indicates the 3 parts over here. How to draw back pose. On the right side of the center line, draw the head. Draw slightly smaller than the uppermost 1/3 part. Draw 2 ellipses on each side of the center line to mark the booty. The right ellipse starts from the true half line and its middle is the fashion half line. Make sure that the booty ellipses and the model head are about the same size. Notice that the right booty is placed over the left one. If the model was facing that other direction, this would be opposite. Draw a gently curved line from the model head to the center line just above the booty area. This is a guideline for the spine of the figure. Join the rightmost point of the booty and the bottom of the center line. This line is very slightly curved out. Leave some space for the neck and pull a straight horizontal line to mark the shoulders. The female figure shoulders are about the same width as the hips. Make sure you can even length from both sides of the spine. Mark 2 circles at the end of the line. Draw a straight line from the left booty ellipse to the ground. It should extend not too far from the right shoulder. Mark the heels at half head from the ground. Start marking the place where the knees are going to be. This is the middle of the line from heels to the booty. In the step 1, the upper part of the center line was divided into 3 parts. The top of the third part is where the waist is supposed to be. Imagine that the width of the waist is about the same as the width of the head and connect it to the shoulders. Pull down a vertical line from the right shoulders and draw a circle at waist level for the elbow At the end of the line, mark hand using a horizontal ellipse. Remember the how to draw arms tutorial that the elbow stands right at the middle of the arm. Try not to make the arms too long or too short. Using the guidelines, start building the form of the body. Use all guidelines as telling except for the left leg where it is the outline. Finish the arms and legs. Hint the hand and draw the back view of the shoes as shown in the illustration. First, and trapezoid under the heel for soles of the shoes. Then add the actual heel, making it slightly longer compared to the trapezoid. Finish the curving the lines, adding detail to the shoe. Small details can really make the difference when drawing a fashion figure from the rear view. Hint the elbows, the back of the knees, and a few lines on the back. Add a hairstyle to the model and you are ready to go. Thank you so much. I hope you all have enjoyed the session of drawing back force. Study the steps properly and practice. Thank you.